I welcome for today's session. So now I request Mr. Narayana, Assistant Professor, Management Studies, to introduce our guest speaker. Over to Narayan, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Mr. Atul Grover is 2008 MCA pass out from TIMT, Yamunanagar, Haryana, and currently associated with Capgemini, Pune, working as business analyst and ServiceNow solutions architect. He carries almost 12 years of experience in IT and worked in insurance, telecom, and financial domains. Prior to Capgemini, he worked with Fujitsu, Vodafone Shared Services, Wipro, Infosys, and Accenture. He is passionate for theatre, mimicry, and anchoring. Along this, Atul having 2000 plus hours experience of delivering trainings and successfully delivered 16 knowledge sharing sessions on different topics like ITIL, service management, technology trends, business analysis, release and change management, clear case, a version control tool, certifications and motivational sessions. In fact, if I go on reading the whole profile, it keeps on going for hours together. So I don't want to take much of Atul's time. The session is all Atul's now.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much, Narayan sir, and thank you so much, Savita ma'am. Just a little bit from my perspective. Number one, it is not a guest lecture for me, guys. It is a knowledge sharing session for me. Okay, if I say guest lecture, then you guys will treat me specifically. I'm talking from the student perspective. You guys treat me like, अरे ये तो बहुत बड़ा आदमी है, बहुत बोलेगा और चला जाएगा. But it is the knowledge sharing because the knowledge which I gather from the different experiences, scenarios, working sides, up and downs from my life. I want to share with you guys. Definitely that is from the IT background as well, from my personal life as well. Okay. And to the topic, we are be basically on the business analysis and the corporate leadership. Okay. So nothing to be worried. You can ask any silly question if you have in your mind. Don't think ki what Savita ma'am will think, what Nayan sir will think, what my HOD will think, or what my principal ma'am will think or sir will think. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I'm sure that you guys can understand Hindi, English both. So I'll use a mix up in between. Okay. So ऐसा don't think in your mind ki what my teachers, my colleagues will think about my question. There's nothing wrong to asking the question. If you ask the question, it means it proves that you are listening to me. If you're not asking the question, it means you have having a cup of tea and you are watching something on the Netflix or the Amazon Prime. Okay, so I'll not take much time now. Let me share my screen quickly and we start on the discussion part. Okay, so and I will be on the screen sharing mode. So if anyone has any question, they can unmute themselves and then they can ask the question because I will be the screen sharing, so I'm not able to see the hands up or down. Okay. Okay, so I go here. Yes. Just confirm me once you're able to see my screen. Anyone can confirm? Okay. Thank you
Yes,
so
sir, it's
much.
visible.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
so much, guys. Okay. So before I start, let me ask something to you guys. Okay, because I know that number one point is that it is an offline, or I can sorry, it's an online session. I can see, you can see me, you can hear me, but I cannot see you guys. I can just hear you guys. So I'm not sure that you are sitting on the bed, you're sitting on the sofa, or you're sitting in the balcony, or you're sitting in the some other swing kind of stuff and having your breakfast or your tea together with your family. Okay, I know it's a Saturday, it's a family time, but definitely we need to be put little more efforts to make this session successful. Okay, so in front of you, I have one image here. Effort plus wrong tool is equal to zero result. Is anyone has this kind of experience in their life till now? I'm sure that you are in the BBA. Nansen told me that these are the BBA students, and the first year and final year students are there. So, anyone face any issue like this in their life till now? That they're putting efforts, but they're getting the zero result. So that we can start something on that front. Otherwise, see, I have a list of all the participants here. I'll put the random names here. Then it become difficult for everyone. Okay, Kishore GS. Any experience you
Yes,
have?
sir.
Any experience you have like this, that you are putting efforts but you are getting the zero result?
Yes, sir. I used to play taekwondo. I used to represent my club in my taekwondo matches.
Okay.
It's just like karate and any other martial arts. So what happened was I trained for 2 years, like hard, very hard. I used to maintain my weight and all, even
Okay.
my diet. But during the match, when the championship was held, I got ill and I could not participate. So all my efforts were in vain.
Okay.
And afterwards, because of the exams, I missed my training and I could not continue with my championship. So I had to leave my
Okay.
this thing, martial
Shirisha,
arts.
Shirisha, any example from your side? What do you think, that if you're putting efforts but you're using the wrong tool and you're getting the result as equal to zero?
Yes, sir. I was keeping effort in my studies, but I was thinking not that much of keeping that.
Okay, fine. So now let me take example. One day, my wife asked, "Can you go to the market and bring some home grocery for us?" I said, "Okay, I'll go." I'm putting so much efforts to get a single item. Okay, and I am going in the wrong place. And when I say the wrong place, basically I'm going in the wrong shops, which they don't have this particular product. So it means I'm putting efforts to find out that particular product, but I'm searching in the wrong area. I'm searching in the wrong shops. I'm going in the wrong shops, and it giving me the zero results. Nowadays, the problem is that everybody, I'm saying that if when I say that everybody, including you, me, all teachers are putting the efforts to make the career of a student. But sometimes we use the wrong technique. We use the wrong tools. We use the wrong methodology, basically, I can say. And it did not give me the results as 100%. Let's take example. When I was 2008, I was passing my MCA. So there was a trend in the market that if you do the C, C++ or Java classes, you will get a job into the IT industry. That was kind of a myth, or kind of a rumor, or kind of a atmosphere has been created into that time period. But I'm a guy. I'm sitting in front of you. If I tell you my background, I am a BCom pass out in the specialist of taxation. I done the MCA in 2008, and from 2009 I am working in the IT industry. I have zero knowledge of the coding. I cannot write a code in the industry. Then what I'm doing here? Definitely, because even though you are a BBA students, but definitely you have a lot of friends who are doing the BTech or MCA, these things. So the question comes, Atul, what we should do now in this case? Because the myth which was earlier in 2008, that if you do the C or C++, you become an IT engineer. No. Nowadays, what is be required here, that either you are from any of the background, you are doing BA, BCom, BBA, MBA, MC, any course you do. The thing is that you should have a practical knowledge of that particular concept. How many of you know how to make a cup of tea? I'm sure I can see 101 people in this particular session now. Out of 101, approximately 90 plus people or 90 plus students, including teachers, will say that I know how to make a cup of tea. That is the practical knowledge you have. So in the same manner, either you're doing a BBA, BCA, MCA, MTech, anything you do, the main point which is be required here is that you should have a practical knowledge of that particular concept. Only then in nowadays you can succeed into the industry. Okay, so let's not put more of the time here. I'll go to the next slide in this case. So today's topic is basically business analysis and the corporate leadership. These two are the two different topics, I can say. This is one and this is one. Okay, this I pick up because when Narayan sir talked to me, he says, Atul sir, these are the BBA students. I said, okay, that's fine. So we can give them a little insight, because either you are a BBA student or you are a MTech student or MCA student. Either you are working on a shop, either you are working in a MNC, either you are working in a plant, either you are working in a manufacturing company. This technique, this particular concept, you have to be always remember in your mind. Then the second point is the corporate leadership. How I can become a good leader. Very true fundamental which I follow. For me, if you want to be a leader, your age, your time, your designation doesn't matter for us. If you are a leader, you should able to lead the team up front. Sometime when I play with my kid, he become a leader for me. He says, okay, Papa do this thing, Papa do this thing, Papa put it this here, Papa put it this here. It means he's a leader. He know that how to lead the team so that we both can win the game. Okay, so this is the today's topic, and it is going to be little I can say for a longer time period. It will be more than 1 hour I'll take, but I'm sure that the term which I use in the beginning, it is not a guest lecture. I'm not a guest here. I'm just like a family member of your college only, even though we're interacting on the online mode. But consider me that I am a kind of a student who will be studying with you and growing with you. So I'm sharing the knowledge, my experience with you guys, so that you also become in the same level which we are at point of time. Okay. So this is about me. Already sir told a lot of things about me. So let me a little bit give a brief. I'm approximately carrying 13 plus years as of now. Okay, working with with Virtusa as a consultant, as a ServiceNow consultant, work with different companies, supported with different clients here. Till now, delivered approximately 19 plus guest lectures in the Dean University, in the universities, and having 3,000 plus hours experience in training and these training I covered more than 5,000 plus students. So a little bit about me, working with the different companies as of now. I'm a married man, and I have a kid of the 5 years as of now. I'm staying in Maharashtra, Pune. Okay, and along with this, my professional part, which is very good point for me. Now I'm going to be a research scholar as well. I enrolled myself for the PhD, and I'm going to be a student once again in my life now. Okay, now let me take you on the role part. Okay, how many roles are available in industry? Specifically, if I say that I mention these roles from the IT perspective. Now let me go back to you guys. Okay, tell me, you are the BBA student, and definitely I'm sure that 101 students, 101 participants are there. What do you think that what type of job you are looking for in the industry? Anyone? Okay, I can see a lot of people raising the hand. Okay, anyone? What type of role, what type of job you are looking for in the IT industry? Definitely after BBA, you are going for the MBA, I'm sure. अरे देखिए, अगर नहीं बोलेंगे तो फिर मजा नहीं आएगा नॉलेज शेयरिंग का. Okay, project manager. What else?
Business strategy.
Strategy manager. Okay, what else? This is knowledge sharing. You need to share your knowledge as well. More you share, more you learn. Yes, tell me. Only बस 2 रोल, बाकी सब लोगों को कुछ नहीं करना. Think. See, now you are in a post graduation. You are in the BBA class now. After maybe 2 years or 3 years, your degree will be complete. You are available in the market to get a job. You should know that where I should be go now. What role should I pick up now? So one say strategy manager, one say project manager. What else? People are speaking, but I guess on the mute only. I can see someone. Okay, Kishore, what do you think? What role you're looking
Sir, currently I'm concentrating on completing my BBA. Then I'll have time for going with my roles, what I want to do. But currently it's all about my BBA. That's it.
Okay, that's fine, Kishore. That's fine. But you are doing BBA, but you have something in your mind as well that why I'm doing the BBA, which role, which company I want to be get into basically.
I have a mix of ideas like what I want to do after completing my BBA. Like I can open my own business, or I can
Nice.
go with my uncle's business,
Nice.
or I can join some new company which is just started, or a new startup, and I can work with them, or I can join
Okay.
any corporate which is ongoing.
Okay.
Like I have a mix of ideas and I have not decided what I want to do for now.
Okay, sure, no problem. So it means everybody has something in their mind to understand, to know that okay, what I'm going to do after my BPA. Okay, so in the IT industry, if I go here, we have a lot of roles available. I can become a developer, I can become a tester. So like if I take example of the BBA, sir, I can go in the marketing, I can go in the sales, I can go in the HR, I can go into that finance, I can go into the advertisement, I can go into the mass communication. So multiple roles are available in the market. But one thing which is important to be understand here, which is the topic for our guest lecture today, is that a business analyst role. Okay, now when we start a discussion on that part, I will tell you. Okay, now let's take one more example here. Okay, suppose Kishore invited Asim and family to his home for a dinner. Now, what actions or what things Kishore need to do that Asim, when Asim should come to their home, what item he should prepare in the lunch or the in the basically in the lunch or dinner? What should be the snacks item? What should be the desserts? What should be the in between for the kids? They need to be prepared or something like this. Okay. So when Kishore starting thinking on that front, on that particular requirement, I'll use the word requirement, he start putting a brain there. Okay, Asim has a two kids, one is 5 years and one is 10 years. Kid like the sweets. Sweets in the sweets, they like the ice cream. Let me order some ice cream for the kids. Okay. Asim is okay type of the person for the in the sweetness perspective or the desert perspective. Let make something good for him at the home only. Maybe some kind of a kheer or some kind of a halwa we can make it. Okay. His family is specifically from the south side of India. They like idli, vada, sambar, dosa kind of stuff. Let's cook something good in the lunch for them. So now what Kishore is doing, Kishore is analyzing the requirements in his mind and then preparing a plan for the lunch. When Asim will come, he will serve the water, then he will serve the soup, then he'll serve the snacks, then he'll serve the lunch. After that, he will serve the dinner. And once they say, okay, we are going now, a last cup of tea together, and then we see off the Asim and the family here. So this particular thing has been taken care by one person that is called the business analyst. I'm sure everyone in everyone home, when mom says, okay, if you go to the market, please bring these things from the market. How your mom is saying this thing to you? Because she know that these are the things getting over in the in kitchen and be required after 1 or 2 days. So what she is doing, she is analyzing the requirement and then making a list of the items which hand over to you or your father and say whenever you go to the market in today or tomorrow, please bring all this stuff for the home. So this is the role basically played by the business analyst. Now the question comes, Atul sir, we are in the BBA. How this is related to me? How this is beneficial for me? What I will getting by this particular topic if I continue with this session? Okay. So now I asked to Kishore. Kishore says, sir, I would like to be start my own business. That is fine. I can club with my knowledge with my uncle business. I would like to join some corporate as well. It means to do all these things, he has some plan in his mind now. If he want to open his own business, he will say, what type of business should I open? From where I will get the funding? How many people I need to run that particular business? Okay, in which location I should open the business? It will be only standalone business or I should have a open the chain as well for this business. So what he's doing, he's doing the requirement in his mind now. Okay, now I will stop myself here and will open for the question answer. Anyone has any question, any doubt, any clarification required till this point?
Sir,
Free open. Yes, Balmukund.
what's the exact role of business analyst in an organization, sir? Like, what does
Okay.
it exact?
Okay. So, okay, let me put a question to you, Mukund. Do you have
Okay,
a
sir.
bike? Do you have a bike?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. When you don't have a bike, what you tell to your father to get a bike? What things you put in front of your parents so that they can say, okay, go and you can buy a bike now.
I say like I need a vehicle to
Okay.
go to places,
Okay.
and it will be comfortable. And during
Okay.
this situation, I don't want to
Hmm.
go in crowd, so I need a bike.
Okay.
Yeah, these are the points.
And I become elder now, so I need a bike. My friends are having bikes, so I need a bike as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what you are doing actually, you are putting your requirements in front of your parents, right?
Okay.
Or then your parents ask, okay, these are the things. Then you ask upfront. Maybe your father asked to you, okay, which bike you want to buy? You said, oh, I want to buy Bullet. Okay, what is the costing for that Bullet? Near about 2 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So what this conversation is doing here? It is a requirement gathering. Your father is getting the requirement from you. He want to understand why you need a bike, why you cannot be use bicycle till now. Okay. So in the same manner, the business analyst is the person who talk to the customer and understand their requirement. Like take example, when you come to the college for the first time, maybe for the admission or from the counseling, then maybe Savita ma'am or the Narayan sir have interacted with you. Then Narayan sir ask you, okay, Mukund, tell me what course you want to do, why you want to do this course, what is your qualification in the previous degrees or these things, right? It means
Yeah.
he is getting the requirement from you, and then will suggest you, okay, Mukund, do one thing, you are good in the technical part. Instead of the BBA, you go for the BCA, because he's the right person to guide you here, right? So
Yeah.
in the it is not only in the industry, it is not only in the organization. According to me, anyone who has the knowledge or who has the capability to think of any of the stuff in the world can be a business analyst for me. My mother is a business analyst, my kid is also business analyst, because when he need a toy, he reach out to me, Papa, I need this toy because the old toy is broken now, it is very old, my friends have this much. Nowadays he's saying, I want Alexa. I said, why you want Alexa? Because my friend purchased the Alexa. What you will do? I will put the alarm in the Alexa. I will listen the story in the Alexa. I will listen the song in the Alexa. So he's putting the requirement in front of me. And being a business analyst, because he's my customer. Being a business analyst, I'll say, okay, what else you will do? Papa, I will learn the tables from the Alexa, which give me a confidence. Okay, now he need a Alexa for the same. So in short, business analyst is a role available in any of the industry. It is irrespective. I'm not saying that I'm in the IT, so I'm saying in IT is required. Either you go for the finance, marketing, sales, any of the industry you go, the business analyst is the one who always there to get a requirement from the customer and give them a result in the return. Okay. In the next slides, I will give you a little more details about the same.
Okay,
Okay.
so basically, a business analyst is something who analyzes the organization's requirement and like what, like, is it something like that?
I'll not say it's a organization part. I'll say it is a customer specifically. Okay.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
is the thing. Or maybe I can take one more example here. Let's take example. You purchase a new house. Okay. And
Okay.
you want to do the interior of that house. Okay. Now
Yeah.
what you do? You call to the some expert from the market. He come to your home. He says, okay, Mukund sir, you call me, so I'm here for your requirement now. Okay, tell me, what type of interior you want? You said, I have a kid, so in kid rooms, I want something for the kid specific, and in my room, I want something a normal one. Okay, how many kids you have? I have 2 kids. Sir, which color of your kids like? Dark or light? You say they like the light colors. Okay. Sir, do they like cartoons or the universe stuff? You say it's cartoon. Okay. Sir, what type of cartoon they want? They like? It is something like the Superman, superpower something, or they want something like Peppa Pig or something else. You say no, they like something Peppa Pig or Tom and Jerry. Okay. So what is doing now? He's getting the requirement from you. He's probing you one by one. Then once he done the requirement gathering from the kids room, then he come to you. Okay, sir, what type of color you need? You say I need little bit of medium color kind of stuff, not very bright, not very low. Okay, sir, you are married. How long you have been married here? You said okay, I'm 10 or 11 years now. Okay, sir, what type of color ma'am like? You say she like the this thing light colors only. So what he's doing? He's putting one by one thing in front of you. So he is the business analyst here. This is just a layman example which I'm putting in front of you. But in the industry, when I go to the customer, I ask the business terms. Let's take example, one more example, then I'll go to the next part. You are a developer here. Okay, let's say you are a business analyst here, and I call you. Okay, Mukund, come to my home. I want to build a website. Okay, you said okay, sir, I can build it for you. You come to me. Okay, sir, tell me what type of website you want. I want a website for my training part. Okay, sir, how many trainings you have done? I said I done approximately 500 trainings. Okay, sir, what is your core area of training? Do you want to put your training videos as well on the same or not? Sir, do you want a very heavy content website or a very low content website? So what you are doing now, you are getting the requirement from me. So I just replace one word which you pick up, that is the organization. It is not organization, it is a customer specific requirement I am gathering here. Okay, so this is the business analyst role into the IT industry, or into the industry, I can say. And again, I'm repeating my words because don't think that I'm from the IT, so I'll pick up the IT example. I'm saying either you are in any of the domain, irrespective of the domain. I'm saying the business analyst is always required in the market. That is a truth for the time period as of now. Okay, now let me go to the next slide. Now you see this particular picture, everyone. Okay, and I give you the 30 seconds. I will count 30 seconds now, and then we will start a question answer. So a request to everyone, please go through this picture. I'm starting the counting now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, I'm sure that you guys able to see this. Give me a minute, guys. I'm just sitting on the floor. It is easy to be discuss the things. So, okay. Now let me do one thing. Let me open the participation list here. Okay. Abdul Rashid SK. Abdul Rashid, unmute yourself. और आप मुझे बताइए कि जो इमेज मैंने आपको भी शो किया, what you understand by that particular image? Abdul Rashid. Oh, अब्दुल ने तो ड्रॉप कर दिया. ओके, अभिषेक झा. नारायण सर जरा नाम लिख लीजिएगा इनके, क्वेश्चन आंसर के टाइम पे लोग जा रहे हैं. ओके, yes, yes. Abhishek Jha, what you understand by that image? Okay, Abhishek Kumar.
Yes, sir.
What do
So
you
in the
understand
image,
by
we
that
can
image?
see that. So there's a lot of confusion. Like what the customer explained,
Mm-hmm.
it was not what he wanted at all.
Okay.
And there was a lot of Huckers and buckers in the organization. Like the
Mhm.
business development leader understood something
Mhm.
else. The
Okay.
tech support understood something else. That's
Okay.
I can interpret from that.
Okay. Okay. Disha RP. What you understand by this particular image? Guys, मेरे पास बहुत टाइम है. I am free today. I can spend 2 or 3 years. और knowledge sharing में तो definitely I never be do conjuicy type of things. Disha, what do you think? What do you understand by that image? Okay, Gokul M.
Sir, in every level, what the customer needs is not fulfilled, sir. Every level they understand what they can understand, sir. It's like the customer needs something, but the final
Mhm.
finished product is something, sir.
Something different. Oh, okay, good, good. Indumati J. What you understand?
So the customer didn't get what the thing he wants, but some confusions made between the workplace only, sir.
Okay, okay. Komal Bansal. By listening to these three guys, I'm happy that okay, there's something wrong in the picture. Now tell me what went wrong in this picture. Komal,
Maybe communication problem, sir.
what else?
Lack of understanding, like they use their own perspective to, like understand
Mhm.
things.
Okay. Neha Jain, what do you think? What went wrong here?
So I think the main problem was the communication between all of them.
Okay. If it is a communication, then who is be responsible for this complete mess up? Is it the customer? Is it the BA? It is the development team? Is it the project manager? It is the program manager? It is some other person? Who is responsible for this mess then? Neha, what do you think?
Maybe the problem is equally shared by everyone because one person what he tells might not be perceived the same way what
Mhm.
others are telling.
Okay, nice.
Sir, can I answer your question?
Definitely, Kishore, definitely.
Sir, in these type of conditions, there is one
Mhm.
person involved in who will take care of the team. So
Okay.
we can take like the business guy and the developer and the customer. We all will take them as a team who are
Mhm.
supposed to make the product and deliver it to the final consumer. So the
Right.
person who made this team is in wrong because he did not make a proper team who are connecting with each other and distributing the information regularly. If they would have distributed the information properly and connected
Mhm.
with each other, then the final product would have been what the customer needed. So the person
Okay.
who made this team is wrong.
Okay. Now I put one more point here. Okay. And think from the practical perspective. I am putting the two terms in front of you. Number one is responsible, and number two is accountable. Okay. I'm again repeating, number one is responsible, number two is accountable. In this particular picture, who is responsible and who is accountable? I'll start with Preeti now. Preeti, what do you think? Who is responsible and who is accountable? Sarika,
Yes, sir.
who is responsible and who is accountable?
Sir, I guess like the person who has there's a lack of coordination between the all these people who are
Mhm.
there on all the steps because the way they have communicated the message is right, but the way they have communicated it to the person who is accountable for all these things. So that is
Sarika, that is fine. We go to now कि क्या गलत गया. But my question is that who is responsible and who is accountable now? That is my question. कि गलती आखिर किसकी है? Who is
Sir, I'm not
responsible and who is accountable?
Sir, I guess the person who's accountable for all these things is like the person who has made up all, like the person who have gathered all these members to one place. They should have done it in a more like perfect way, or there should be a different kind of like a way for doing it.
Okay, ठीक है, चलिए. Now I come to Savita ma'am and Narayan sir. Okay, Savita ma'am, what you think? Who is responsible and who is accountable?
Hello, sir.
जी बताइए मैम. In this picture, who is responsible and who is accountable?
Sir, here actually the customer, they perceive in a different way. Actually,
Mhm.
if I go to for the particular shop, so my idea is different because I have a different thinking in my mindset. Like I want this color, I want this design, and I
Right.
have so many things. But when the manufacturer, they have their own idea of manufacturing things. That's what
Mhm.
actually I'm handling this marketing management subject. I used
Okay.
to share with my student, like before going for this manufacturing, it's a
Mhm.
responsibility of the manufacturing department to do the research first. They
Okay.
have to understand the customer requirement, what basically they want.
Okay, so according to you, in your current experience, that marketing department or the research department has responsible for this complete
Yes,
mess.
sir, because they have to do a proper
Okay,
research.
now who is accountable? Who is accountable for this mess?
Sir,
Finally, the company will get the. Yes, Narayan sir, carry.
sir, sorry to interrupt. I have shared one more link in your WhatsApp. Sir, can you please also join that group as well? As the number of students were more, we created one more link, and students are joining in that link as well. Simultaneously, you would be able to join that that session as well. Interact with students on that other screen as well.
Okay, so can you email me quickly, because I already opened the email here, so I can join from email direct. And I'm not sure that I can do it in the two links in the same time.
Yes, sir, you can do it, sir.
Okay, just drop me email. I'll open that one, sir, because from
Sure,
WhatsApp. Okay. So one more thing, guys, friends. One thing need to be remembered here. Okay, responsible and accountable are two different terms. अगर किसी भी इवेंट में, किसी भी प्रोग्राम में, किसी भी प्रोजेक्ट में, किसी भी रिसर्च में कुछ भी गलत हो जाता है, तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कैन बी अ होल टीम, बट अकाउंटेबिलिटी हमेशा सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक पर्सन की रहती है, कभी दो लोगों की अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं होती. ओके, गिव मी अ मिनट, लेट मी ओपन दैट लिंक व्हिच सर शेयर्ड नाउ. In the meantime, it's be opening. Okay, it's look good to see others' email, right?
Sir, may I answer your question?
Just give me 1 minute, buddy, and let me open this one. Sir, will it possible for me to be joined the both sides?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is possible. It is possible. Just click on ask to join. I will let you in immediately, and you would be able to join. Yes, sir. Now you can interact with the students in both the screens as well.
Okay.
Since the number was more, we created two screens.
Okay, sir. Sure, no problem.
Yeah, you can share the screen on both the sides, sir. I'll stop sharing the screen on the other platform. Yes.
Okay. I'm learning something new here now. Your entire screen. Okay, nice. Okay, so I have approximately 45 students are here as well, and that side as well. Okay. Yes, someone put a question that someone want to answer. Yes, Harsh.
Yeah. So I wanted to answer your previous question. So I think responsibility, it's whole team's responsibility to. The whole team is responsible because of the communication gap, and I think the business analyst is accountable for it, because his work is to understand the process and requirement and explain it to the team and organization. So he is the one accountable, and the whole team, because of the communication gap, is responsible.
Right. So this is make this as a thumb rule here. Thumb rule.
Sir,
yes, sir.
Sorry for interruption again. Sir, please unmute yourself on the other screen as well.
Okay.
Unmute, sir. You are on mute on the other screen. Please unmute there as well.
Just okay. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you can on your video as well, sir. There.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Perfectly all right. Yes, sir. Everything is set.
Okay. Yeah. So guys, always remember one thing in your practical life as well. कहीं पे कभी भी कुछ भी गड़बड़ अगर हो जाती है किसी काम को करते हुए, तो कभी भी दो लोग अकाउंटेबल नहीं होते. I guess someone on mute. Can you go on the mute, guys, please? Manoj, I will come to you. Give me a minute only.
Narayan sir, please unmute the Thomas one student. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Atul sir, carry.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. So what I'm saying basically, अगर आपके प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में कुछ भी कहीं भी कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाती है, ठीक है, तो कभी भी दो लोग अकाउंटेबल नहीं होते. बिलीव मी, ये थंब रूल मान के चलिएगा. मान लीजिए मैंने एक ट्रिप ऑर्गेनाइज किया एंड आई इनवाइटेड एवरीवन टू यू. ओके, चलो ट्रिप पे चलते हैं. ठीक है, मैंने कहा भाई ठीक है, किशोर आपका काम है रूम्स की बुकिंग करना, ठीक है, ऋषिका आपका काम है सबका खाने का अरेंजमेंट करना, मनोज आपका काम है सबका बोर्डिंग चेक करना, ठीक है, और मेरा क्या काम है, मुझे सबको ट्रिप पे लेके जाना है. अगर उस ट्रिप पर कुछ भी मिस हैपनिंग हो जाती है, देन आई विल बी अकाउंटेबल, बट यू गाइज विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल इन दैट एरिया. अगर मान लीजिए खाना अच्छा नहीं है, तो ऋषिका खाना अच्छा नहीं है इसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, बट आई एम द एट द एंड आई एम द अकाउंटेबल फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर बैड थिंग. ओके, सो ये एक थंब रूल अपने माइंड में हमेशा रखना, क्योंकि जब भी आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में आप काम करेंगे, यू ऑलवेज फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम कि लोग बोलेंगे नहीं तेरी गलती है, नहीं तुम्हारी गलती है, नहीं तुम्हारी गलती है. So you should be clear on this term. Boss, tell me who is responsible and who is accountable. If I'm responsible, that's fine. If I'm accountable, then I need to be answered to the management as well. Yes, Manoj, you have a question. You raise your hand. You can go for the question now. You can unmute yourself and ask your question. Okay, I guess he's in the mute format now. Okay, so let's go back here. So by this picture, we understand that customer explains something like this. Okay, and at last what we delivered or what customer actually want is this thing. So in this complete 12 pictures, only not I am responsible. Responsibility with every people. Customer also responsible, project manager is responsible, analyst also responsible for this. But who is the accountable? Being a business analyst, I am the accountable because I did not ask the customer, boss, what do you mean by these 3 layers? How you want these 3 layers? So in short, the question which is asked by in the beginning by Mukund is that, sir, what is the business analyst person or what is the business analyst role here? So this is the importance of the business analyst. If you understand wrong, then you will pass the information wrong to everyone. You know, there's a game we play in our childhood, जो कान में कुछ बोलो और लास्ट तक आपको कुछ उस बात को लेके जाना है. What is that? That is the best example of the requirement gathering. अगर मैंने कुछ गलत सुना है तो मैं उसके ऊपर कुछ गलत ही आपके कान में बताऊंगा. आप उस गलती उसको अगले वाले के कान में बताओगे और एट लास्ट जब तक वो एंड तक पहुंचेगा तो उस पूरे का खिचड़ी बन चुका होगा. ठीक है. So now let me go to the next part here. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में we use one term called the SDLC, System Development Life Cycle. मतलब कि आपको अगर कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट डेवलप करना है तो आपका एक लाइफ साइकिल रहता है उसमें. और यहाँ पर देखो, सबसे पहले फेज में मेरा रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग होता है. भाई आपके घर में अगर किसी की शादी है तो शादी होने के बाद आप कैटरर्स के पास नहीं जाते, अच्छा बताओ भैया क्या खर्चा लोगे. तो शादी होने से पहले आप पूछते हो, आप मल्टीपल कैटरर्स के पास जाते हो, पूछते हो अच्छा बताओ तुम क्या दोगे भाई, क्या प्लेट पड़ेगा तुम्हारे यहाँ पर, 400 500, अच्छा आप क्या क्या देंगे खाने में, आप कैसे बनाएंगे खाना, आप यहाँ के बनाएंगे, आप घर से आके बना के लेके आएंगे. आप डेकोरेटर के पास जाते हो, भैया मेरे भाई की शादी, मुझे अच्छा डेकोरेशन चाहिए हॉल में, मुझे अच्छा बैंड वाला चाहिए. सो यू आर गेटिंग द रिक्वायरमेंट हियर ओनली. मे बी योर ब्रदर से मुझे बिल्कुल सिंपल शादी करनी है, लेट्स कॉल ओनली 10 पीपल एंड गेट इट डन, स्मॉल रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग। लेकिन नहीं, मुझे बहुत आलिशान करना, तो आपका रिक्वायरमेंट गैदरिंग यहाँ पर बढ़ जाता है। ठीक है, तो ये ये टॉपिक हम डिस्कस करें, जो रोल हम डिस्कस करें स्पेसिफिकली, ये एक ऐसा रोल है जो सबसे पहले मेरे किसी भी डेवलपमेंट में काम में आता है। मतलब जब प्रोजेक्ट शुरू होता है तो वहां पर सबसे पहले यही काम आता है। और दिस रोल, दिस बिजनेस एनालिस्ट पर्सन इज ऑलवेज इंटरेक्ट विद द कस्टमर। वो बीच में किसी से बात नहीं करता, वो सीधा कस्टमर से पूछता है, सर बताओ भाई तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, मैं बना के देता हूं, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए। लाइक टेक एग्जांपल, Narayan, man, approximately 2 months back, I sent an email to a lot of TPOs and the HODs. Okay, so मेल सर्कुलेट होकर किस तरह से वो नारायण सर के पास गया। नारायण सर ने मुझे रिप्लाई किया कि सर आपका हमें प्रोफाइल अच्छा लगा एंड वी कैन गो फॉर द गेस्ट लेक्चर। देन आई आस्क्ड, क्योंकि मैं बीए हूं, मैंने पूछा सर से, सर ये बताइए आपके यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स कौन कौन से हैं। सर ने मुझे बोला कि सर बीबीए के स्टूडेंट्स है। आई सेड ओके, बीबीए क्या है सर, कौन से ईयर के स्टूडेंट्स को आप इनवाइट कर रहे हैं, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड, थर्ड ईयर? उन्होंने बोला नहीं, फर्स्ट और फाइनल के रहेंगे यहाँ पर। सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, आई एम गेटिंग द रिक्वायरमेंट एंड आई एम गेटिंग अ रिक्वायरमेंट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम द कस्टमर। ही इज माय स्ट्रिक्ट कस्टमर ओनली नाउ। मैंने एचओडी से बात नहीं किया आपके, मैंने सविता मैम से बात नहीं किया, मैंने सिर्फ नारायण सर से बात की, सर बताओ आपको और क्या चाहिए। सर ने बोला कि सर आप आईटी में हैं, आप कॉर्पोरेट में काफी टाइम से हैं, सो कैन यू पुट समथिंग फ्रॉम द कॉर्पोरेट पर्सपेक्टिव एज वेल। I said, okay, I can do that part. So he gave me the requirement and I get it the requirement and finally I prepare a small deck for you guys. Now, maybe after this session, after half an hour, 1 hour, when this session will be over, Narayan sir reach out to you guys. अच्छा बताओ भाई, अभी हमने लेक्चर सुना और या नॉलेज शेयरिंग सेशन हमने सुना, बताओ आपका क्या फीडबैक है उसके ऊपर। क्या जो पर्पस आपको हमने बोला था कि आपको नया नॉलेज मिलेगा, आपको नया टॉपिक सुनने को मिलेगा, क्या आपको मिला या नहीं मिला? So that is the feedback part basically we can do in the later part. Okay, so यहाँ पर मेरा वो काम शुरू होता है। अब दो चीजें हैं, एक है बिजनेस एनालिसिस, एक है बिजनेस एनालिस्ट। जो ये है एनालिसिस इट इज अ वे, इट इज अ मेथड। जो एनालिस्ट है वो करने वाला बंदा है। जैसे मैं एनालिस्ट हूं और मैंने सर की रिक्वायरमेंट को एनालाइज किया। क्यों किया? क्योंकि मेरे पास वो सेट ऑफ नॉलेज है। सर ने बोला कि सर आप कॉर्पोरेट में, अगर मान लीजिए मैं किसी शॉप पे काम करता तो सर मुझे नहीं बोलते कि सर आप कॉर्पोरेट सेशन भी लो, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मुझे वो एक्सपर्टाइज एरिया नहीं है। सर ने मुझे बोला कि सर आप कॉर्पोरेट में हो तो आप बच्चों के लिए कॉर्पोरेट का कुछ लेके आइए। आई सेड ठीक है, मैं वो कुछ लेके आता हूँ। सो ये क्या है, इट इज द सेट ऑफ टास्क और इसके लिए मेरे पास टेक्निक्स है। मैंने सर को प्रोब करना शुरू किया, मैंने सर को अलग से एक बार कॉल किया, मैंने कहा अच्छा सर बताइए आपके जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या है। सर ने बोला कि ऑलमोस्ट बीकॉम या सॉरी +2 विद कॉमर्स हैं, या फिर 2-4 स्टूडेंट साइंस के हैं और बाकी नॉर्मल +2 के हैं। आई सेड ओके, मतलब मुझे आइडिया मिला कि हाँ भाई जो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ आ रहे हैं वो किस बैकग्राउंड से, मुझे किस लेवल से या मुझे किस कंसेप्ट से शुरू करना है, ताकि आप लोग ये पूरा कंसेप्ट समझ पाए। ठीक है, बिजनेस एनालिसिस इज अ प्रैक्टिस। नंबर सेकंड पॉइंट, जब आप लोग बड़े होंगे, जो आप जैसे अभी आप स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कल जब आप लोगों की शादी होगी, आपकी फैमिली होगी, तो आपको एक चीज सीखने को मिलेगी, ये प्रैक्टिस है। मान लीजिए आप जैसे कहते हैं ना, जब हम छोटे थे, ठीक है, जब हम छोटे थे, मैं रो रहा हूँ बैठ के, मेरी मम्मी आते पूछते अच्छा क्या हो गया, किसने मारा, स्कूल में मैडम ने डांटा आपको, आपका होमवर्क नहीं हुआ, आपको फ्रेंड ने मारा, व्हाट शी इज डूइंग, शी इज प्रोबिंग मी टू गेट द एक्चुअल थिंग कि मैं क्यों गुस्सा हूं। yesterday what happened, my kid was be crying in the evening. मैं उसके पास गया, मैंने पूछा क्या हुआ, नहीं मुझे ना खेलने जाना है। अच्छा ठीक है, ओके दैट्स फाइन, खेलने जाना है, आप मुझे दिन में खेलने नहीं भेजते हो। I said अच्छा ठीक है, और है मम्मा ने ना मुझे डांटा भी था। अच्छा, और so what I am doing, I want to know the actual cause, I want to know the actual requirement कि उसको अब चाहिए क्या। And at last he says कि पापा मुझे क्ले चाहिए। By to get a clay, he putting a lot of things in around. So it is a practice. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने आज किया मैं कल बीए बन गया, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होगा। आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा अपने डे टू डे लाइफ में, रूटीन में, so that you can understand this thing, that how to get a requirement from the particular customer. Now I know कि अगर मेरा बेटा अगर आज मुझे तंग करे सुबह से, तो आई नो कि उसको क्या चाहिए। I get the requirement now. अब वो रिक्वायरमेंट कैसे फुलफिल करना है, दैट इज अप टू मी. मुझे अपने वाइफ को बोलना है कि भाई आप मार्केट जाओगे तो लेके आना, या मुझे अपने बेटे को थोड़ा सा और किसी तरीके से इंक्लूड करना है किसी और एक्टिविटीज में, ताकि वो जो उसका रिक्वायरमेंट है वो छोड़ दे, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी उसके पास बहुत सारे क्ले पड़े हैं, बट उसने मार्केट में देखा तो उसको नया क्ले चाहिए. सो दिस इज द बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, एंड द पर्सन हु परफॉर्म दिस एक्टिविटी इज अ बिजनेस एनालिस्ट. ओके, और सबसे बड़ी बात जो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में भी कहा था कि ये मैटर नहीं करता कि आप किस डेजिग्नेशन पर है. आपके घर में आपकी वाइफ, आपकी मॉम, आपकी डैड, आपका बेटा, आपके भाई बहन, सबके सब बिजनेस एनालिस्ट हैं, क्योंकि सबकी कुछ ना कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, सबको किसी न किसी से कुछ रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए. सो दे ऑल आर द बिजनेस एनालिस्ट. बट हाँ, अगर मैं मार्केट में बात करूं, अगर मैं इंडस्ट्री की बात करूं, सो आई नीड समवन स्पेसिफिकली कॉल्ड द बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, जो मेरे कस्टमर के रिक्वायरमेंट को जाके समझ सके और मुझे सपोर्ट कर सके. लाइक लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल हियर. सपोज इफ आई सेज कि मुझे एक ना ट्रेनिंग सेंटर शुरू करना है, मे बी रोहित विल पिंग मी एंड से सर मेरे को ट्रेनिंग का एक्सपीरियंस है, आप मेरे से बात करो, एंड ही विल गाइड मी. इट मींस ही has this one, he is specialized in that area. उसको पता है कि मैं कैसे गाइड कर सकता हूं, उसको पता है कि अगर किसी ने नया बिजनेस शुरू करना तो मैं गाइड कर सकता हूं, मुझे पता है सारी चीजें कैसे हैं. सो यहां पर ये टर्म इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप जो हैं, आप एक बिजनेस एनालिस्ट हैं. सो बट द इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट यू शुड नो हाउ टू डिस्कवर इट. जैसे मैं नारायण सर से कभी नहीं मिला, सिर्फ हमने फोन पे बात की, लेकिन मैंने इतना पूछा सर से कि मुझे समझ में आ गया कि इस पर्टिकुलर सेशन में लोग कहां से आ रहे हैं, उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या है, मुझे किस लेवल के एग्जांपल से स्टार्ट करना है, सो दैट अंडरस्टैंड कर सकूं. तो मैंने उसको डिस्कवर किया, उसको एनालाइज किया. कल रात को बैठ के मैंने सोचा कि अच्छा भाई मुझे कैसे टर्म्स यहाँ डालने हैं ताकि आप सभी लोग समझ पाए. शुड आई गो प्रॉपर इन इंग्लिश, शुड आई गो प्रॉपर इन हिंदी. तो मुझे वो चीजें समझ में आई. मैंने टूल ढूंढा कि ठीक है, मुझे प्रेजेंटेशन देना है या मुझे पीडीएफ देना है, मुझे कैसे काम करना है. और ये जो टर्म है स्टेक होल्डर, इसको हम आगे आने वाली स्लाइड में डिस्कस करते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ बिफोर आई प्रोसीड फर्दर, एनी डाउट, एनी क्वेश्चन एनीवन हैज?
Sir, in the previous slide, what the customer explained and what the customer really needed were different. So who is responsible for that, sir?
See,
And
see, one very, very good point. So in this case, you have to be remember one thing. Never ever think कि I am a service provider, it's my fault. No. It is equally fault of the customer as well. I am a business analyst and I tell to my customer directly, boss, you gave me this requirement. You are equally responsible for this fault now. If I am building something wrong, you says I need 3 layers. I build it for you. Now you're saying, no, Atul, I want a round thing to be seated here. That's not my fault. That is your fault as well. You did not give me the information properly, so I did not provide you the product as you are looking for. Okay, so in this case, both are responsible. Accountability lies with the business analyst, not with the customer. Because it is something my mistake. I should probe to the customer more to understand the requirement more. Okay. Yes, Manoj, you have some question, kya? Okay. Any other point, any other question anyone has in their mind? Don't worry, मेरे पास बहुत टाइम है. नारायण सर को मैंने बोला सर आप 1 घंटा लिखो, 1.5 घंटा लिखो, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं तो जब तक चलूंगा तब तक चलूंगा. So nothing to be worried for me guys. Okay, आज लंच एक साथ ही करते हैं सारे मिलके. ठीक है, चलो let's proceed to the next part now. Another thing is that what are the skills required to become a business analyst? बहुत simple है. It is a layman things. You should be a good thinker and the problem solver. Business knowledge. Let me open it one by one, then I'll show you. Okay, yes. Number 1, problem solver and the good thinker. Important point here you need to be understand. Suppose when any customer come to me, Atul, I want a new website. Can you develop it for me? I said, okay, I can develop. But when I asked for the requirement, I did not ask the requirement कि this website will be work only for 1 year or 2 years. I asked the requirement from the 10 to 20 years कि भाई 10-20 साल अगर आपका वेबसाइट चलेगा तो आपको वेबसाइट्स पे क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए. So that is the this thing. Your thinking should be completely in the direction which help the customer to grow their business. Business knowledge. ये वो business, that business doesn't mean कि जो हम business कर रहे हैं वो वाला नहीं. Business knowledge means कि आप जिस domain में हैं उसका आपको in depth knowledge होना चाहिए. So like for me, I am a ServiceNow consultant. अगर कोई मुझसे पूछता है ServiceNow के बारे में, I can put a lot of things in front of that person. कि भैया आपको ये सब चीजें करनी चाहिए, ये यूज करोगे तो आपके टूल में, आपके बिजनेस में बेनिफिट होगा. देन टूल एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. आप बेशक बीबीए के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आई एम ओके विद द सेम, बट अगर आप बिजनेस एनालिस्ट बनना चाहते हैं तो आपको मार्केट में जो बाकी टूल्स हैं, अब देखो आप बेशक एमबीए भी करेंगे, आप अगर आप सेल्स में भी जाएंगे, आप फाइनेंस में भी जाएंगे, सो आपको कहीं ना कहीं तो अपने रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन करने पड़ेंगे, किसी ना किसी टूल में तो रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन करने पड़ेंगे. तो आपको एटलीस्ट किसी एक टूल का नॉलेज होना इज मस्ट हियर. देन द बिहेवियरल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. बीइंग ए बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, आपको कभी गुस्सा नहीं करना होता कस्टमर के सामने. दैट इज अ वन थिंग. बेशक कस्टमर की गलती हो, टेल हिम बट नेवर आर्ग्यू विद हिम because he is the customer. Simple सी बात है. But there is a way to teach, there is a way to prove wrong to the customer कि बॉस आपका गलत काम था, आपने गलत बोला था मुझे, आपका रिक्वायरमेंट गलत था, आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग गलत थी. That is come in the behavior characteristics कि आपको इस तरह से कम्युनिकेट करना, साथ में इंक्लूड करते हैं इसको कि आपको ऐसे कम्युनिकेट करना है कि सामने वाले को लगे कि हाँ उसकी गलती है. Let's take example here. Okay. This particular topic mainly I cover or I use in the BTech or the MCA students, but still I am presenting this topic in front of the BBA student as well. That is my behavior characteristic. I know that this particular topic is not only for MCA or MTech or BTech students. It is equally important for everyone in the industry. And the way I put it, I'm using my communication skill in the top of that. Okay. So these are the basics, 3 or 4 or 5 skills. On the broader side, I can put it here. Okay. This is very important topic to understand from the BA perspective. We call this as the business analysis core concept model. ठीक है. अगर मैं इसको in pure हिंदी if I say, ये रूट है, ये जड़ है उस पेड़ की जिसके ऊपर आप काम करने जा रहे हैं, या वो पेड़ है, या ये वो जड़ उस पेड़ की है जो आप खुद पेड़ बनना चाह रहे हैं इसके ऊपर. ठीक है. इसमें 6 कंसेप्ट्स हमारे पास इंपॉर्टेंट है. चेंज, नीड, सॉल्यूशन, स्टेक होल्डर, वैल्यू एंड कंटेक्स्ट. What do you mean by the word change here? थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन करते हैं इसके ऊपर, फिर आगे चलेंगे, नहीं तो मजा नहीं आएगा मुझे ऐसे शेयर करने में. हाँ बताइए, what do you mean by the word change? क्या समझते हैं आप चेंज वर्ड से?
Change in requirement of customer.
अरे नहीं यार नहीं, ये तो बहुत दूर चलेगा, तुम रिक्वायरमेंट दे दो. उससे
तो
पहले
फिर किस चीज का मैं बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे? लाइक
नॉर्मल. See now,
नॉर्मल बदलाव.
now you are a business analyst. ठीक है. रिक्वायरमेंट तो बात की बात है. मैं सिंपल पूछ रहा हूँ कि चेंज का क्या मतलब होता है?
लाइक कोई भी चीज जो मतलब आज जैसे लाइक कोई चीज बदलाव, कोई भी चीज में
एग्जैक्टली किसी चीज में बदलाव. ओके.
हाँ.
अजय कृष्णन, व्हाट डू यू थिंक? What do you mean by the change? Yes, Ajay, what do you mean by the change? Aishwarya. What do you mean by the word change? Ankita Shah.
Sir, change in the sense like something is going in one pattern or one like, and then like you think something innovative, like one thing is going in a one pattern, and now you want to change or bring some changes to that thing.
अच्छा, अगर change ये है, तो फिर need क्या है? What do you mean by the word need here?
So need is like a demand, like different people have different need. So,
But नहीं, आपने बोला it's a demand and different people different need. But I want to know the meaning of the need word here. What do you understand by the word need here? Okay, Anaya.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please. Yes, go ahead.
So change is having an adaptive behavior according to your need.
Okay, then what is need? What is need then? Tell me.
Need is something which we want. Something which we want is known as need.
So your requirement.
Okay, nice.
So need is basically the basis for the change. Like according to the needs, the change takes place in the organization.
अच्छा, ठीक है, चलो ये दो टर्म्स आपने सही बताया. अब मुझे एग्जांपल दे दीजिए इसका. नीड क्या है और उसका चेंज क्या देखा आपने? लेट्स टेक ए प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल कि मेरी लाइफ में या आपकी लाइफ में ओके क्या नीड थी, उससे क्या चेंज हुआ? टेल मी. आपने अरे आप लोगों ने ही आंसर दिया ना कि सर नीड मतलब जो हमें कुछ चाहिए, नया चाहिए. दैट इज
सर नीड का एक कॉमन सा एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं सर. जैसे मैं एक फुटबॉल प्लेयर हूँ, तो मेरा नीड है कि अभी लाइक मेरे पास स्टड्स नहीं है, ठीक है, तो मुझे अभी स्टड्स चाहिए, वो मैं नीड है, जो अर्जेंट नीड है, ठीक है. और वांट वो है सर जो मुझे लाइक इतना जरूरी नहीं, बट हाँ मुझे चाहिए.
नहीं, ठीक है, नीड मैं आपका समझा, लेकिन अब नीड को चेंज से रिलेट कैसे करोगे?
सर फॉर एग्जांपल सर अभी हमारे पास व्हीकल है, ओके सर, तो हमें पता है कि पेट्रोल अभी हाइक पे, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा प्राइस पे चल रहा है, बट हम इसमें चेंज ला सकते हैं. हम इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं अपने मार्केट में. सो नीड और जहां पर चेंज, जो दोनों में आपस में जो ये कर सकते हैं differentiate.
So one more example, like during pandemic we needed a change in the system of education. So the change
एक मिनट. आप वर्ड्स को, सेम वर्ड्स को यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन प्रॉपर्ली उसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहे. आप नीड को भी यूज कर रहे हैं, आप चेंज को भी यूज कर रहे हैं. मैं कह रहा हूं कि आप एग्जांपल दीजिए कि ये नीड था सर और ये चेंज हो गया.
सर नीड चेंज हो नहीं सकता ना सर.
नहीं, नीड की वजह से चेंज आते हैं.
क्या मतलब आपको
अगर पेंडेमिक नहीं होता तो ये गेस्ट लेक्चर्स ऑनलाइन नहीं होते. दैट इज अ चेंज नाउ. एजुकेशन सिस्टम
नीड ये था कि अपन जा नहीं सकते थे, तो फिर वी नीडेड अ सिस्टम सो दैट वी कुड स्टडी सिटिंग एट होम.
एग्जैक्टली राइट. आई गेस एक किसी ने बीच में से एक्सक्यूज मी बोला था, वो मिस कर दिया हमने उसको. Some lady was there who she want to present or she want to answer something. ठीक है, okay. Let's go back to this part. So basically change क्या है? I'll pick up example. I guess someone say I'm a football player और आपके पास studs नहीं है, right? Studs आपके पास नहीं है, इसकी वजह से आप ढंग से खेल नहीं पाते फुटबॉल. You cannot put a right goal और आप right kick नहीं कर पाते उसकी वजह से. बिकॉज स्टड्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है फुटबॉल में स्पेसिफिकली. आई एम नॉट अ फुटबॉल प्लेयर, बट मेरे पास पढ़ेंगे स्टड्स ऐसे, ठीक है. सो चेंज क्या कहता है? द एक्ट ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इन अ रिस्पॉन्स टू अ चेंज, इन द रिस्पॉन्स टू अ नीड. उस फुटबॉल प्लेयर का नीड था कि उसको स्टड्स चाहिए, और स्टड्स मिलने से उसकी किकिंग पावर और उसकी गोल पावर हैज बीन ड्रास्टिकली चेंज, एंड नाउ ही इज प्लेइंग इन द अप फ्रंट विद द ओपोनेंट टीम्स. क्योंकि अब उसके पास एक ऐसा सोर्स है, उसके पास ऐसा चेंज है जिसकी वजह से वो इजीली कहीं से भी खड़े होकर किक मारेगा तो ओपोनेंट के डी तक के गोल तक बॉल जा सकता है जो पहले पॉसिबल नहीं था. सो द कीवर्ड विच आई वांट टू पुट इट हियर इज कॉल्ड द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. मोबाइल फोन आज भी है, मोबाइल फोन आज से 10 साल पहले भी थे, लेकिन आज के फोन में और लास्ट 10 साल के फोन में बहुत डिफरेंस है. पहले फोन हमारे पास कीबोर्ड्स वाले थे, सिर्फ मैं कॉल कर सकता हूं, कॉल रिसीव कर सकता हूं, एसएमएस भेज सकता हूं, एसएमएस रिसीव कर सकता हूं, या वो सांप सीढ़ी वाला गेम खेल सकता था. बट अभी के जो फोन है, आई नीड नथिंग एल्स. मेरे आज के फोन में सब कुछ है, कॉल, मैसेज, व्हाट्सएप, जीमेल, यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम, टिकटॉक, कैमरा, अलार्म, व्हाट एल्स आई नीड. इवन सीरी है, एलेक्सा है, सब कुछ है मेरे यहाँ पर. मैं बोलता हूँ काम कर देते हैं. दैट इज द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. और उसका नीड कहां से आया? नीड क्या था? अ प्रॉब्लम और अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी एड्रेस. हमारे मार्केट में लोगों ने देखा, धीरू भाई अंबानी, जो अनिल अंबानी है, जो ये मुकेश अंबानी है, इसने देखा कि इंडिया के लोगों को नेट का रिक्वायरमेंट है. He understand the need and he transforms us completely. आज से 5 साल पहले नेट पैक किसी किसी के पास होता था, और हम क्या करते, जब कहीं जाते हैं ना तो नेट बंद कर देते, नहीं घर आके नेट चला लेंगे आराम से. आजकल नेट इतना फ्री मिलता है कि अगर आप चाहो तो आप उस पर कुछ भी कर सकते हो. इतना नेट है. मेरे पास 100 MBPS का प्लान है, और यूज कितना होता है? 30-40 MBPS मैक्सिमम. तो वो क्या थी? वो अपॉर्चुनिटी देखी उसने, प्रॉब्लम देखा उसने, और उसको एड्रेस करके उसने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करके दिया. अब बारी आती है सॉल्यूशन की. सॉल्यूशन क्या है कि आप उस पर्टिकुलर चेंज से जो आ रही है, उससे आप एक पर्टिकुलर रिजल्ट अचीव कर पाएंगे. दैट इज अ सॉल्यूशन. स्टड मिलने से ही कैन नॉट बिकम व्हाट आई कैन से रिले रेस प्लेयर, बट ही कैन प्ले वेल ऑन द फुटबॉल ग्राउंड. क्योंकि स्टड से आप रेस नहीं जीत सकते, स्टड से आप फुटबॉल ग्राउंड पे खेल सकते हो आराम से. सो क्या हुआ सॉल्यूशन? अ स्पेसिफिक वे ऑफ सेटिस्फाइंग वन और मोर नीड इन ए कंटेक्स्ट. कंटेक्स्ट का एक नया टर्म यहाँ पर आया. कंटेक्स्ट को यहाँ लेके जाते हैं. कंटेक्स्ट का मतलब है कि जिस पर्टिकुलर एनवायरनमेंट में, जिस पर्टिकुलर एटमोस्फियर में, जिस पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो में हम वो बात कर रहे हैं, वो मेरा एक कंटेक्स्ट है. मुझे स्टड्स चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे फुटबॉल खेलना है, मुझे स्पोर्ट्स शूज चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे क्रिकेट खेलना है. तो दोनों में कंटेक्स्ट अलग अलग है यहाँ पर देखो, और ये 6 के 6 टर्म्स आपस में रिलेटेड है. अब बारी आती है स्टेक होल्डर की. मेरी स्टेक होल्डर क्या है? अ ग्रुप और अ इंडिविजुअल जिसको उस चेंज से कुछ बेनिफिट होने वाला है. अगर उसके पापा उसको स्टड लाकर दे रहे हैं तो उससे उसको बेनिफिट हो रहा है, उसके पापा को इनडायरेक्टली बेनिफिट हो रहा है. कल मेरा बेटा स्टेट लेवल खेलेगा, नेशनल खेलेगा, तो मेरा ही नाम रोशन करेगा. सो ही इज डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली गेटिंग अ बेनिफिट. लेकिन इनका रिलेशनशिप कहां पर है? इनका रिलेशनशिप चेंज से है, इनका रिलेशनशिप नीड से है. इनको सॉल्यूशन से कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा. इनको सिर्फ यह है कि मेरे बेटे का नीड और चेंज होना चाहिए, तो सॉल्यूशन तो अपने आप निकल जाएगा उसका. उसके बाद स्टड मिलने से इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? अ वर्थ इंपॉर्टेंस और यूजफुलनेस ऑफ समथिंग टू अ स्टेक होल्डर विद इन अ कंटेक्स्ट. अगर वही स्टड आप मुझे गिफ्ट करेंगे और बोलेंगे जाओ तो सर आप सुबह जॉगिंग के लिए यूज क्या करो, मैं बोलूंगा मेरे लिए कोई वैल्यू नहीं है स्टड्स की, बिकॉज जॉगिंग के लिए स्टड्स नहीं चलते, जॉगिंग के लिए फ्लैट शूज चलते हैं. तो वो क्या? क्यों? क्योंकि मैं कंटेक्स्ट में बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ. सो वो कंटेक्स्ट मेरे को यहाँ से मिला. सो ये 6 कंसेप्ट्स, ये 6 पॉइंट्स ऐसे हैं जो आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में काम करें एज ए बीए, आपको ये 6 चीजें हमेशा याद रखनी चाहिए.
सर
जी
सर ऐसा करो सर, कुछ लोग हैं जो लाइक नहीं समझ पाएंगे, लाइक उन्हें हिंदी इतने अच्छे से नहीं आती, तो एक बारी सबके कंफर्ट के लिए इंग्लिश में
ठीक. नो प्रॉब्लम. Okay. So the point is basically these are the 6 terms which we use in the BA model. Number 1 is change. Change means the act of transformation. The mobile phone which are available 10 years ago and the mobile phone which are available nowadays has a totally transformation, right? Then need. A problem or opportunity, like one of your colleagues says, sir, I am a football player and my need is to get a studs. So there is a need for him, and by using the studs he getting a solution by studs. By using the studs he is playing very well now. Earlier, the coach say you need to be stand near the goal only of the same team. But now coach say no, you stand up to the opponent goal D, so that when anyone send or kick a ball to you, you can make a goal directly. So that is, and he is achieving this particular solution by the change. But this solution is only and only for a context, only and only for an atmosphere, only and only for a scenario or a condition basically. Like if I am traveling via train, then I need to be carrying my lunch, my dinner as well. But if I want to travel via flight, I just carry my luggage, nothing else, because I know I will reach to Delhi in next 2 hours. So that is the context I'm saying here. Okay. So context is basically a circumstance, a scenario, a condition. That is the thing. And by this stakeholder means a group or an individual who are getting a benefit or who has a relationship with this change is called the stakeholder. My parents are my stakeholder. If I grow, they also grow. If I fell down, they also fell down. So they have a relationship. If I'm sharing my knowledge with you guys, so they're also feeling proud on me. If I am doing my PhD, they're also feeling proud of me. They're doing nothing in the background. They're just giving the blessings and say, okay, motivating me, go and study. And what value I'm getting by this particular change is the value for me. The usefulness, the importance of that particular solution, which is solving my problem, is basically called the value here. Any doubt, any question till this point? Anyone?
From my side, no, sir.
Okay. Anyone else? Ankita, Anusha, Asim, Ajay, Aishwarya, Amrit, Anjali, Brijesh. Okay. Let's move to the next one now. Stakeholder. This particular slide, I'm missing these the two slides in between because I want to cover this point in a little depth now. Stakeholder means all the people who are related to me are my stakeholders. My parents are my stakeholder. My friends are my stakeholder. My teachers are my stakeholder. My family is my stakeholder. My kid is my stakeholder. Okay. Now, why I put this thing in front of you? The thing is that there is a saying in Hindi कि अगर आपको अपना काम निकलवाना है तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपको किसको अप्रोच करना है, right? It means that if you want or if you want that your work should be done on time, then you should know to whom you should approach at the right time, right? If Narayan sir or your HOD sir want that everyone should be, or Narayan sir want that everyone should attend today's session, then he tell to the HOD sir, please drop an email to every student so that they can attend. So he know the right person who can help him to get this done. Okay, so now what you have to do, I'll give you one exercise in the last as well. Maybe Narayan sir, you can just take a screenshot of this particular image and share in the group with the students. Is that after this session, make a list of your friends who are in the different category, and I will explain you that what this category means. Number one is the CAT. Support if interest is favored. जब तक पैसा है तब तक सब साथ देते हैं. Simple example. So make a list of the friends who always favor you if they are getting something interested which is good for them from you. Like you are making a plan for that trip and you say, okay, I will sponsor 75% of everyone. So your enemy also support you. Oh, he's going to that particular place, I want to also go. Let's make a friend with him. So these are the persons who only support if they are getting something interested is the favored one. Elephant, powerful yet slow. Like take example, Narayan sir reach out to Savita ma'am. Okay. Narayan sir know that Savita ma'am has expertise in marketing. No one can beat her in the marketing subject in this college. Okay. Narayan sir want some case study need to be prepared by Savita ma'am. He reach out to Savita ma'am and say, ma'am, can you do this thing? Ma'am says, okay, I'll do that part. Okay, ma'am, when I can collect it? Come after 3 days. Okay, after 3 days, Narayan sir go there. Savita ma'am says, sorry sir, I did not get time. Give me 3 more days. Okay, so what is this? She is powerful here, but she is slow in the process. Maybe multiple reasons. Either she has a lot of responsibility, either she is taking care of the multiple things in the bucket, but she is powerful. And Narayan sir know this thing, that no one can beat Savita ma'am in this particular area, and no one can give me a good case study other than her. So he reached out to Savita ma'am in this case. The third one, so you need to identify your friend who is powerful, to whom you always say, bhai kar dena, please, can you do this favor to me? They will do it for you, but they will do in very slow manner. अच्छा ठीक है, करता हूँ, शाम को करता हूँ, कल करता हूँ, परसों करता हूँ. So these are the things we hear. I'm sure when you complete these 9 sections now, you will have a list of your friends to whom you should always reach out and to whom you should not reach out at any point of time. Okay. Now I come to the third part. That is the lion category. Powerful and the influential. Nowadays, a lot of college, institutes, universities are arranging the guest lectures. And believe me, they're not arranging the guest lectures on the standard topics. They're not saying, sir, aap hamare bachcho ko books mein se kuch padhayenge nahi. They are saying, you have a corporate experience. Can you tell something, or can you teach our students something from experience? So powerful and the influential. Like I put myself here because Narayan sir knows, Savita ma'am know that Atul is from the corporate. More than 13 years he spent in the corporate. He know most of how to deal in the corporate, which can help our students to grow in the faster manner. So I'm in this case. So definitely one of your friend is there. If he says, boss, hum nahi jayenge to nahi jayenge इस trip पे, you make a decision. Yes, hum nahi jayenge to nahi jayenge. So these are the those people are here. Dog, committed to project success. Like those are your friends. Those are the stakeholder who always says, if you just put a thought in their mind, let's go for a trip. They will do anything for you to make a trip successful. Bhai, I'll arrange for everything. I'll arrange the cab, I'll arrange the hotel, I'll arrange the food, everything I'll do. You just say yes to me. Then this is those type of stakeholders are there. See, you have 1 or 2 friends in this category as well. They are the one to whom you can believe at any point of time. When I say any point of time, in the midnight, if you call them, "Arey yaar, thoda kaam hai, chalega kya?" They will come to you for help. Penguin, slow and steady. I put the tortoise as well here because there's a story between hare and the tortoise. Tortoise won the race. Why? Because he continuously walking. He was slow, but he walked continuously. So he is there. So these are the people. Either you are in the happy mood, you are in the sad mood. They're always with you. They call you definitely. Maybe today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. But they will call you definitely. But they always not touch with you. So we have a stakeholder who always like Narayan sir gives some work to some of the students. Narayan sir know that this person will definitely complete the work with the complete perfection. But he will take the time. So this thing. Rabbit, fast and fickle. अरे सर मैं कर देता हूँ ना अभी 2 मिनट दो मुझे. Those are the guys. Like you call to your friend, hey, I need some support or help. तो वो मैं आता हूँ. They reach out to you within a minute. These are the one who support you in the project. Quick solution part. मतलब कि ये these are those people who have a checks on the high level as well. अरे मेरे को पता, मैं काम करवा के देता हूँ तेरे को 5 मिनट में. These are those people. These are the people who are in the industry, who are in the company, who are in the project for a long time. Okay, these are things. Then eagle. Okay. Here. Eagle means can view far ahead. And here I put only 2 person as per my personal experience. Either I can put your HOD sir, because he did not think for this current batch. He is thinking for the next coming 5 to 7 batches as well. That how I can improve my education system in my college, how I can give the best experience to my students in the college so that they can learn here. Or I can put 1 person here more is basically the father. Okay, in our what I can say life, it has been said that when any girl take a birth in a family, fathers start collecting or gathering the money for her marriage. That is the eagle view, because he know that after 20 years, 25 years, I need to get married for my girl as well. I need money that time. So he start thinking on that front. So only 2 examples I always put, that either my HOD or either my father in this particular area. Definitely you see, you have some friends in this bucket as well, who are doing the BBA, but who are planning to do some government job as well. They're working on this area as of now. They never tell you, but they're working in the background. And number 8 says hippo, my way or highway. Like I told to Narayan sir, either Saturday, otherwise I'll not able to take a session. These are the friends who says, भाई जैसा मैं कहूंगा वैसा करना पड़ेगा. Follow me, otherwise I'll not come. And finally, it's an owl. Wake up during the go lives. These are those stakeholders who just get up once they are in the need of you. अरे नहीं अतुल सर से बात करते हैं, उन्होंने कहा था जॉब लग जाएगी हमारी. These are those people. Okay. Now I'll take a break. Any doubt, any question? Anyone? Boring, interesting? What do you think?
It was clear, sir.
I guess only Mukund is listening. Rest people are sleeping nowadays. Harsh, Kishore, Ankita, Neha.
Sir, it's clear. No doubt.
Okay, fine. Now let's go to the next one. Don't worry, I just have 2 slides now. Okay, till the previous slides, we mainly discuss on the business analysis part. That what is the business analyst, what he will do, what are the skill set required, and what are my stakeholders. Now I come to the corporate leadership. When I say the corporate leadership, basically I can say you are a leader, I am a leader, but nowadays the thinking, the practice of leadership has been drastically changed. Before, or maybe I can say 5 or 7 years ago, when you reach out to any college for your education, mainly colleges say no, this much fees we will want. But nowadays these things has been changed. They says, okay, you are a good student, I'm happy to give you the scholarship as well. Come and join my college. So nowadays, see, basically one thing is to be clear, very, very clear here, that if I am a leader, I need to have some leadership quality. Leader is the one who lead the team, but not like a boss, like a follower. I want that I should understand what my colleagues need so that I can support them. Nowadays in the industry, the pattern has been changed completely. Okay. Earlier, what we say that first of all, my manager think about my stakeholder first, then think about my customer, and then think about my employees. But nowadays, a good leader is one who thinks from the employee first. Due to COVID, many companies are already started take care of their employees. What you want? You're working from home. I will give you the money. You can go and buy a good table, good chair, get a good Wi-Fi connection at your home. Many companies are giving an offer, or I can say incentives. You want to do some exercise at the home, you can buy some equipment and I will reimbursement for you. It means they are changing their pattern from stakeholder to the employee. For them, employees are first. If their employee is safe, if their employee is healthy, then they can support to the customer and the stakeholder. If their employee is bad, it's not in the good format, not good shape, then they cannot support the things. So this is the latest model. This is the latest theory booming in the market, that is called the servant leadership. I'm not sure that there is a movie of Johnny Lever. It is maybe Shah Rukh Khan and Johnny Lever movie, which it asks, who are you? I'm a servant head. मैं सभी नौकर्स का head हूँ, right? So in the same case, I am a servant leadership. I am a servant leader. Even though I am also servant, but I am a leader of all the servant. And my responsibility to take care of my employees on the first level, then I'll take care of my customer, and then I'll take my stakeholder or the shareholders. Okay. Now to do a good servant leadership, a person should have these 7 qualities in it. I know it's a theoretical part. I know, सर इसमें कुछ नया तो आप बता नहीं रहे हो, हमें पता है, हमने प्लस 2 में भी पढ़ा था, हमने बीकॉम में भी पढ़ा, हमने बीबीए में भी ये पढ़ रहे हैं, हम फाइनल में भी ये पढ़ रहे हैं, तो नया क्या है? The new is that basically the concept which is in the market. I am sure that Bal Mukund is also a leader if he follow these 7 principles. Person of a character. Number 1 point, person of a character. It means I should able to demonstrate the things which I am expecting from you guys. When Narayan sir reached out to me, I was busy in some of the family function. I call them again and say, okay, sir, can we discuss now? I say, okay, I'm happy to share my knowledge, but I want you also share some knowledge with me if I need something help. He said, okay. So it means if you want to be a leader, then you should be person of character. People should follow you. Yes, he's the right person. I should follow him. Second point, puts people first. When I open this session, I clearly ask, are you guys comfortable in Hindi or English? In the beginning, nobody replied, but I start using the mixing part. Then I reach to the completely Hindi level. Then one person said, sir, please speak in English. It means for me, it is not important to get a good feedback. For me, it is important to make sure that you guys understand the topic which I want to deliver it to you guys. So I put my people first. If I know Kannada or Telugu, Malayalam as well, I try to speak in that so that you guys can understand in that manner as well. But unfortunately, I have no idea on that part. Number 3rd point, skilled communicator. In our discussion, we identified, we opened a lot of questions, but I never said, sorry, I'm not interested in your question. Get out from my class. It means if you are a leader, either you know, either you don't know, but don't do a rude behavior with anyone else, specifically in your colleague areas. Otherwise, what people think, he doesn't know anything and he's putting a lot of order on us. So you should be skilled communicator. The communication is the key. Then compassionate collaborator. A very, very, very important point here. Collaborator means the person who can club the multiple things in a one place. Now I have a BBA students. Maybe Narayan sir say, can we put MC student as well? Okay, sir, put those as well. Can we put BTech student? Okay, sir, let's put BTech student as well. So if I can put this topic, which can be interrelated with all the three streams, BBA, MCA, BTech, then I can say, yes, I am a collaborator here. I know that X and Y are enemy in my team. They don't like each other. But I'm the one who want to work done by these two guys. So I need to be put a collaboration in between these two. Then has foresight. It is the eagle view, basically, eagle stakeholder who can think from the future perspective. If I'm a leader, definitely I want to grow myself, but I should make sure that if I grow, my colleagues also grow in the same manner. See, it is a thumb rule in industry. If you want to take the upper position, then you have to create someone who can take your position as well. Otherwise, you cannot go to the upper part. Very simple, fundamental. We people think I should get a good knowledge, I should get a good exposure so that I can go to the next level. But boss, you think one more thing. If nobody is there to replace you, then higher management say, I cannot put you on the higher level because there is nobody who can replace you. So think from that perspective as well. If I want to go up one level up, then I will make sure that someone is there in the background who can take my place as well. And finally, system thinker, who has the knowledge of complete system. Technically, I can say yes, and the behavior way I can say yes, the communication way I can say yes. So he should think from the multiple perspective. If I want that X and Y should work together, then I should put something in the between that they should work together. Either I give them an offer to more incentive, either I give them a weekly off, or the things. And finally, leads with the moral authority. I should be honest in myself. I should not discriminate between male and the female. Oh, she's a female, let me do a favor for her. No, I should not be that particular leader. Otherwise, if I do that part, I will be going in the wrong direction. Today, people can praise me, but tomorrow, when the things will be open, then it can be a problem for me at the end. Okay, so these are the 7 pillars which is be required for the this thing. Guys, just give me 1 minute. Let me put on the mute for a minute. Sorry. Okay, so I'll take just 3 or 4, 5 minutes. That's all from my side. Okay. Now it's come to the question answer. Feedback, question answer. Anyone has any doubt, question, clarification required, you can ask me. Anyone, guys? You're not speaking.
No, so we don't have doubts.
Oh my goodness.
It was clear, so whatever you said, it was clear. The concepts are clear.
Okay. Only Balmukund said that I have no doubt. Any question? Anyone else, guys?
What are the efforts a person should put on themselves, from the initial days to develop the leadership skills?
These 7 principles only. You can start the things from your home itself. If you're teaching someone at home, you should follow these principles in it. That is the only core thing I can say.
Okay, sir.
That is the only thing which I can be put it here. Okay. Any other point? Any other question? Just give me 1 minute, guys. I'm facing some issue. Let me put here. Go ahead. You can go ahead. No problem.
So
good morning.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Please go ahead.
Sir, my aim is to become a project manager in an IT company. So do we need to have a coding knowledge or not, sir?
See, project management, the project manager role is required approximately 10 to 15 years experience in between. Okay, that is not the day one that you will become a project manager. So to start that part, you need a little coding knowledge as well, because those are required in the industry as of now. In I can say in the industry specifically, but the role which you pick up is actually far as of now, because you are just in the BBA, and it takes little about 8 to 10 years to go into that particular stream. That is the thing. Just one thing, Narayan sir, I pinged you something on the WhatsApp. Can you put on the chat window? Somehow my mouse is not working. Neither my
Sure, sir. I'll put it on the chat box.
yes, so that people can connect me.
Yes, sir. Sure, I'll do it. No problem.
So, so for your answer, basically, you can become a project manager. That is not a big thing, but for that you need to put a little time in that area. Now, you need to learn the things from the scratch. There's a multiple course available in the market, like PMP is the one, PMI is the one, but to do that courses, you should at least have experience of the 5 to 8 years in the IT company. Only then you can go for that particular course.
So you tell that we should need a coding knowledge.
Coding, see, nowadays little coding is definitely required. If you don't have a coding knowledge, but you should have a technical knowledge in the background. That is more required here. That is more required. Coding, see, if I say 8 to 10 years, it means you are going to be work in a lot of roles, different roles. Then you become the project manager. And to kickstart, you need to do something extra in your bucket as well.
But some universities in the abroad, like UK, they are offering project management courses, no sir. So it's a best choice to do that.
See, let me open this chat. Otherwise, I'll not able to see the faces. Okay. The thing is that definitely you can check on the abroad university, but the problem is that when you complete that courses, how you will prove that you have experience in that area in IT industry in India, specifically in India? Because Indian industry say that you should have some experience so that I can hire you. Bookish knowledge, you can get it. I have no doubt in that part. You can get the bookish knowledge. You can go and do this courses. But how you will prove yourself that yes, you are be experienced in that area? So if you want to go for the courses, I say go ahead, but not now. At least spend some 5 years, 6 years time in the IT industry, learn the industry, see the industry, and then go for these courses, but not immediately.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt, question, guys? I'm sure Narayan sir put the details. If you want to connect with me, you can connect, or you can WhatsApp me on the given number. You can connect me on the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn profile is given. I am a YouTuber as well, where I put a lot of sessions on my skill set, that is ServiceNow and the business analyst. So you can go ahead and watch the videos as well. Okay. So these are things from my side. So sir, over to you now, and Savita ma'am and HOD sir, over to you now.
Thank
and
you,
you can
sir.
definitely share the feedback before we close the call now.
It's really a valuable information. I take my pleasure to thank Mr. Atul sir for sharing your valuable information about industrial practical knowledge, awareness about the industrial opportunities and leadership skills to our student. Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting our invitation and sharing your valuable information and knowledge, because in the beginning itself you told it is not a guest lecture, it's a knowledge sharing session. So I wanted to add the same thing. Thanks for sharing your knowledge with our students. I thank our management for giving us an opportunity to conduct this guest lecture. I thank our principal madam, Dr. A. Nagaratna, and Dean Madam, Dr. Bindu Nambiar, for their valuable support and guidance always. And our HOD sir, Dr. M. Lakshmipati Naidu sir, for their guidance and support always. And I thank Mr. Narayana sir for bringing such a knowledgeable person and giving a very good information and sharing. I know that even if it is another 1 hour, you are able to engage the whole session due to the time constraints. Again, we have 12 o'clock, we have a PTM. So we want the same set of students to join for the same. So because of this, so we wanted to wind up this session. So thank you, Narayan sir, and all my dear colleagues for their support in terms of support for this conducting this valuable program. And thanks all my dear students, first years, and the fourth semester students for your participation and asking so many questions means it shows that you people are really interested to know informations. It is showing your learning skill. So thank you, my dear students, for your participation. Thanks to one and all. Is there anything you want to share?
Maybe Narayan sir, anything from your side if you want to add?
No, sir, nothing from my end. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation, sir. It was a very nice, discussion that we had and that you had along with the students, and it was very nice, hearing to your knowledge sharing session. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, thank you so much once again to Savita ma'am, Narayan sir, and HOD sir. Definitely, what I'll do now, just one more thing which is be left here, that I will be putting this lecture on my LinkedIn as well. So may I request to Narayan sir and the HOD sir just to correct me on the LinkedIn so that I can tag you guys in the post. That will be good for everyone. And,
Yes.
and any of the student can connect me over the LinkedIn in case they need any further help or the support in this area. I'm happy to support in that case as well.
Yes, sure.
So hope we'll meet again very soon. Till the time, take care and stay safe, guys, and be at home. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
It was a wonderful
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah. Thanks. Bye bye. Thanks. Bye. Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.